Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are on Easter eggs part 2 and today we will check in Android 17. Well today if we pull up this, as you can see, the message here, the SC60328 autopilot is approaching the dust 34390. Okay, well something's kinda sus, but we need to find. So when I did the Easter egg, oh yeah, and Android eggs are only in X device, so let's hold this thing and all we need to do um so
Ja, even lukken
but um but something says if you see the star, there's a bunch of hashtags, so if you put the hashtags there, that means you are swearing. But Gemini, I really don't have Gemini on my phone. I only have Google Assistant. And that's kind of sus, to be honest, in my opinion, right now. But Android 17 X Gemini, oh hell no. But you need to find two bodies. Okay, that's gonna be easy, but I really wanna play some music in the background. Gemini, boy. I don't know why Android 7 when you downloading thing everything goes white and then it launches Android 16. I don't. What's the point? But yo, there's something there. Okay, yo, you're gonna about to get the last body, bro. Easy. Good. Are you fucking serious? Please. Can I just get it? Can we not do this like the last time? Please, I'm kinda homeless. I have no money. If you don't let me go to the body, I swear that I'm gonna crush a packet of chips. Please. Autopilot. Okay, so let me go. What if I leave it? Okay. What if I do not use autopilot? Okay, come on. Come on. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you flipping? Oh, got it. Oh well, rest in peace, my chips. Well, alright. Well, that was kind of good, but hey, let's see Android 16 though. If wait, how many bodies we need to find here? How many? Okay, same, but okay, I'm not gonna deal with it. Well, alrighty. Snapshot review. Bro, I'm just breaking this. I'm just breaking this stupid spoons. Actually, no. I say ASMR for y'all. Wait, did I break it? Look at the pop. That's oh my gosh. Wow. That was good. That was wow. Yeah, I was looking at that. Very nice. Hello. So, it's the first of the month check. So, they thought we're gonna edit in August, but since that April is every day, since this year is very quick, they thought gonna May. So yeah. Yeah. Well,